Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Rocky Linux 9.3, that is the latest version on VMware Workstation. Go to Rocky Linux official website, that is rockylinux.org. See, the latest stable Rocky Linux version is 9.3. Click on download 9.3. Click on it. See here we have the older version Rocky Linux 8 and Rocky Linux. This is the latest version, that is Rocky Linux 9. See, we have the different options like minimal, DVD, boot, torrent and checksum. Okay, click on this DVD. See, download has been started. Go to downloads. See, the size is 9.8 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded the Rocky Linux 9.3. So in your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. If you want to install VMware Workstation, then go through the link provided in the video description and install it. I am using in this video VMware Workstation Player. It is free to use for non-commercial purpose. Okay, I will keep the link in the video description. Okay, click on this VMware Workstation Player. Maximize this one. See, these are the list of the virtual machines created on VMware Workstation Player. So to create new virtual machine for the Rocky Linux 9.3, click on create a new virtual machine. Select the installer disk image, then click on browse, then select the downloaded Rocky Linux 9.3 DVD ISO file. Select it and click on open. Then click on next. Provide the name for Rocky Linux virtual machine. Then choose the path to store these files. Click on browse. Click on OK. Click on next. Provide the disk's capacity. I am giving 100 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the summary of the virtual machine. If you want to modify or edit any one of this customized hardware, click on this customized hardware. Increase the memory. I mean giving the memory as 4 gigabytes. Then click on close. Again, if you want to modify any one of them, you have to select it and you have to modify. Okay, close this. Click on I'm okay with all these settings. Keep the checkbox as it is. So if we keep the checkbox, it will automatically starts after we starts the installation of Rocky Linux on VMware Workstation. Once we click on finish, so click on finish. See, it is starting the installing the Rocky Linux 9.3 on VMware Workstation Player. Use up and down arrows and select the type of the installation. So select the first one, that is install Rocky Linux 9.3 and hit enter. Select the language and click on continue. See, the begin installation has been grayed out. So we have to select the each red color options. So select the installation destination. I'm going with the default one. Then we have to set the password for root user. Click on it. Click on done. Click on done. See, now we are able to click on begin installation. Also software selection. It is selecting the server with GUI. If you want to install any one of these components, you have to select this check boxes. Okay. If you want to minimum install, you have to select this one. If you want to only server, you have to select this one. If you want to only workstation, you have to select this one. Okay, I'm going with server with GUI. Then click on done. Suppose you want to create a new user, click on create user creation. I'm giving full name as R2 schools. I will keep username also as R2 schools. Provide the password for this user. Click on done. So If you set all these settings, click on begin installation. This may take time. I'm pausing this video until this installation completes. See, installation has been completed successfully. Click on Reboot System. Click on the username, then provide the password. Double click on it and click on Maximize. You will get the full screen. Close this one. See, we have successfully, click on No Thanks, we have successfully installed Rocky Linux on VMware Workstation. Click on Activities, then click on Show Applications, Open, maximize the font. Verify the name and version of the Linux operating system. More /etc os-release. See, we have installed Rocky Linux and its version is 9.3. If you want to verify the IP of this machine, run the ifconfig. See, this is the IP of this machine. You can also connect this Rocky Linux virtual machine from the putty. Open putty. Provide the IP, that is 192.168.129.144. Hit enter. Click on accept. Provide the username, that is after school. Provide the password. Okay. Host name. See. Host name is same. Host name. Okay. So we have successfully connected to this virtual machine from the Windows 11 operating system by using putty. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Rocky Linux 9.3 on VMware Workstation. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.